I have been traveling across Jamaica and I finally made it to Ocho Rios St. Anne. And while I'm here, I needed somewhere to stay that's safe, comfortable, stylish, and convenient. And listen, I found a place that ticked all the boxes. I had to show it to you guys because it might just be the perfect place for you for your next trip. The home that I'm talking about is in Pyramid Point, which is one of the most sought after gated communities in Ocho Rios St. Anne. It has extremely tight 24-hour security, which I love because safety is priority. I could definitely tell I was in an upscale community while I'm here, and it feels real comfortable. Pyramid Point sits on a hill, which means you get stunning ocean views and a cool, refreshing breeze all day long. From the outside, the house looks modern and sleek with a neatly manicured lawn that gives it that extra touch of luxury. And the outdoor spaces, oh, they're so inviting. There's a comfortable seating area for the family. Just on the outside, it seats maybe around 6 or 8 people, even more if you try to squeeze it. Plus, there's this cute egg chair on the patio, perfect just for chilling. If you love the outdoors like me, you're gonna love the pool area because there's an infinity swimming pool overlooking the beautiful Caribbean Sea and the surrounding areas. And there's this deep section for grown folks and a shallow area just for the kids. And there's also space to lounge out and get some sun. There's a playground for the little ones just off the side of there, so you can send them over while you enjoy a pool day. There's also a tennis court, an exercising trail, and even a gym if you want to get a quick workout in. But what really sold me on this place are the extra perks. If you book this unit, you can add on some amazing experiences like having a private chef cook for you. You can go rafting in Ochi, or you can spend a day out at sea on a catamaran. You can go deep sea fishing, you can relax, you can go with a bunch of friends and party it up. It's really giving vacation done right. You just need to let the host know and they'll make it all available to you. So if you're ready for the perfect stay in Jamaica, you have to stay tuned because once you see the full tour, you're gonna wanna book it. Let's get into the video. Let's go.
Rochielin traveling the four corner. Rochielin vlogging on no border. Rochielin plant a man banana. Rochielin vlogging on no drama. Rochielin. Like, share, subscribe. Rochielin. Channel the worldwide.
Rochielin. So we're staying at this lovely Airbnb behind me, and I want to take you guys inside so you can see. But before we even get inside, I want to show you a little bit about what's on the outside. Look how beautiful it is. Chic and modern. And I especially love that they have seating on the outside. They have a little green area over here with seating enough for maybe about 6 people for a chill evening like right now. It's perfect to just sit around with the family, and I definitely 100% recommend that if you're ever coming here, you should definitely sit out here and try it. You'll probably fall asleep.
What I don't like about some Airbnbs is that owners or the hosts have to come to the Airbnb to let you in.
Yeah.
So when I'm checking for Airbnbs, I'm always looking for self-check-in Airbnbs, because nobody has time to wait for you to get there and stop you eating your dinner and spending time with your family to come let me in the house. And I just tell me where the key is and let me in. And this house comes with that. So I absolutely love that. Once you get to the patio here, you see a lock box right here on the wall where you get this key fob out of it, and the key fob opens the door.
Yeah, with the key fob, you just swipe it here
and the door's unlocked. There you go.
And the door's open. It's almost gonna embarrass me, but it didn't. It works well. So that's convenient. I like that. Let's go in. Come on in and welcome to my humble abode, my home away from home. This is where we've been spending time, and if you look around, you can see that it is beautifully decorated. It's a mixture of comfort and luxury, which I absolutely love. If you know me, I like nice things, and we've been spending a lot of time here on this couch. It it's quite comfortable. We were here last night watching a movie, laying down and just enjoying ourselves. And you know, a lot of times I go to the Airbnbs and I don't go in the coaches because sometimes there are times where it's not the best looking. But this, I love it. Comfortable. What about you, babe?
Yeah, the coach is very comfortable actually. You can sleep in this coach, and if you don't feel like sleeping in the bed or you have a guest over, you can push these what are these
the
things?
Ottomans up. You can push it together.
Yeah, you can push the ottomans towards the couch and basically make a huge bed. That's a king size bed right here.
Right, absolutely. Over on this side is a dining area, which we've been enjoying a lot. We've been cooking because, you know, Airbnb, you're allowed to cook because you have a kitchen. It's not like a hotel where basically just to take out food. But here we're able to cook and have a meal with our family. And we've been enjoying that. Loving the wooden bench and the glass table. And it's just very comfortable and chic. And just off of the dining area is a kitchen. It's a beautiful kitchen, as you can see, and it has just about everything that you'd need to basically feel like you're at home. And I tell you, there's a microwave, there's a kettle, there's a fridge, the stove, you know, the usual things you'd have in a kitchen, and everything works. And it's big enough for Sean to throw down in the kitchen, because you know how he does. And it's nice enough for us to feel like we actually want to use it. So that's been good. We've been enjoying our time in here. So the link is in the description bar if you wanna, you know, stay here whenever you're in Ocho Rios as well. But let's move along. Let's head to the master bedroom, which is just off of the living room area. Let's go in. So this is a master bedroom. It has a king bed. It's big enough for all three of us to fit on it. You know, it used to be just two, now it's three. And it just looks like something I would have in my own home with the tufted headboard. It just gives that soft and cozy vibe. You know, it softens the room a lot. And the decor. The host did their thing with the decor. They went all out. It feels as though they were decorating it for their own home. It's beautiful. I'm loving the grays and the blacks and just how everything ties together. It feels modern, chic, cozy. It's giving vibes. You know, I love this little area over here, so to do my makeup. And you know, we gotta get ourselves together before we hit the road. There's also a TV in here, and there's a TV in all of the rooms, so we don't need to be sharing if, you know, you're here with a group of people or whoever you're here with. Because there are 3 bedrooms, so everybody have their own TV. So the master bedroom or the primary bedroom, it has a beautiful walk-in closet. Ladies, we know when we go on vacation, we pack everything, house and land. Everything can fit in there, because all of mine fit in there. So let's go in. This is the primary closet. Lots of space, lots of storage for put everything. For put your suitcase, a lot of hanging space, a lot of cupboard space, a lot of shelf space. Just, you have a hamper here for your dirty clothes. Just lots and lots of space. I appreciate space because, like I said, when I'm going on vacation, I don't know how to pack light. I pack everything. I pack a lot of just in cases for the just in case moments, and I need place to put them, and I like to organize out everything and make sure so everything coordinated for the trip. So this is ideal for that. Here are some of the games in here. It's a Ludo board for enjoyment, and trust me, we've been enjoying it. I beat Sean a lot. He won't admit it, but I won many games. In fact, all the games. Right, babe?
No.
I did. So follow me along. Let's go. When you get into the hallway, there's a powder room here for you to use when you have extra guests outside of who's already here with you.
And this is the powder room. The powder room has a face basin and a toilet. So if you have a guest over and you don't want them to come use your personal bathroom, you can always have them use this bathroom. just in case.
All the rooms have its own bathroom. So if you have, if you're here with people that are staying in the rooms, they have their own bathroom. And then if you have additional guests, there's also this powder room. Or if you're outside like me, and you feel like you need to hurry up and go, but you can't reach a bedroom in time, convenient. So this bedroom has a queen size bed, and it's also beautifully decorated, and it also has the same tufted bed like all the other rooms, and even the tufted couch. So it's like there's a theme, there's a consistent theme going on between the beds and the couches and the grays, and it just made the place feel like it was properly thought out. I like that they have this little cozy chair over here in the corner. It just makes you feel like, yeah, I'm home. And a workstation, because you guys have been waiting on these vlogs, and this is where I've been working to get these vlogs out to you. So this, if nothing else never helpful, this little area right here, so has been very helpful to all of us. So you guys are watching this vlog, and this vlog was edited right here. And like the other rooms, this room also has a closet, and this has a glass sliding door with lots of storage behind the mirror and the glass. Lots and lots of storage, so storage is not an issue here. And like I said, all the rooms have an adjoining bathroom, and this one is no different. The difference with this bathroom is that this one has a tub. So there are 3 full bathrooms, 2 of them have standing showers, and this one have a tub, and then there's a powder room. So it's 3.5 bathroom, right? So this bedroom has 2 full-size beds, even though it looks like queen beds. Again, the tufted beds just like the primary bedroom. Let me say, I think the owner of them did get these beds for themselves because they're nice. Chic, modern, comfortable, and a little luxurious. This room I think is ideal for like families or like people with kids. So if you come with the kids, you can throw them in this room and let them go enjoy themselves in here, guys. They have a lot of space with the 2 beds. Or if you're on a girls trip and you're sharing rooms, splitting funds, whatever it is, it has a lot of space. There are 3 rooms, 4 beds, and then the couch, that's like another 2 beds. So it's a lot of space. But I'm loving the gray on gray play all over the house. They've done a good job just decorating the space, making it feel like home, making it feel comfortable, and making it feel modern. There's also a closet on this side, a sliding glass closet. So the kids can store their things on the inside. And all the rooms have their own air conditioning unit, including the living room. So you're not gonna be hot. Jamaica is a hot country all year round, as we know, warm. But when you're inside, you're able to cool down, especially for those hot times. And all the rooms have their own units, so that's ideal.
Yeah, right, because some Airbnbs, a lot of Airbnbs, they usually have maybe a unit in the living room and one in the primary bedroom. But the rest of the rooms, if there are any, you're gonna have to suffer and sleep in the living room if you want to be cool.
Right, because we've stayed at somewhere we basically burn up. But this one, I had to show it to you guys because it just hit all the right marks, And just like how they have TVs in every room, they have AC in every room, they also have a bathroom attached to every room. And this one has a standing shower. There's also a laundry room with a washer and dryer unit for you to use while you're here. Obviously we used it. But it's great that they provide this for, especially if you're here for extended stay. You don't have to look for no laundromat or worry about carrying back your dirty laundry because there's this available. And there's a sink if you want to hand wash anything. But it's a decent sized laundry room. There's an ironing board as well, and some little knickknacks that you'll need for laundry or cleanup, brooms and stuff, vacuum, the usual. So like I've been saying, I've thoroughly enjoyed my stay here. Absolutely just love how everything is here that I could ever need while I'm away from home. A lot of the times we eat here, not just at the dining table, but we eat here too, especially breakfast time. And I forgot to mention that the host for this Airbnb property is a super host. You know, that's good when you're looking for properties that give you the reassurance that, you know, it's a decent place and it exceeds my expectation. In fact, it looked better in person than on the picture. The area itself, beautiful, calm, quiet, lovely, and it is just 10 minutes or even less than 10 minutes outside of Ocho Rios town. Very close to Dunn Falls, very close to Mystic Mountains, very close to the highway. Everything is convenient, like supermarkets, pharmacies, food. Everything is within a 10 to 15 minute radius, so you don't have to worry about being in a no bush. Like I said, it's meant for you to feel like you're home away from home. So it have every little thing, and it's clean, it's nice, it's tidy, it's comfortable, it feels good, and then just the community overall, it feels like you're in a safe place. When you're inside, it feels safe. When you're outside, it feels safe. I've never been here before, no. So I'm telling you, I totally recommend it because my experience has been good while I've been here. And I know a lot of times, a lot of you are looking for places to stay and y'all reach out. So I wanted to share this with you so you can look into it. So if you're ever looking for somewhere to stay while you're in St. Anne, in the Ocho Rios area, or if you're planning a trip to Jamaica and you're coming at this side, you can definitely check out this Airbnb. You can book it using the link that's in my description bar, and be sure to tell them that you were recommended by Rochielin.
Rochielin traveling the four corner, Rochielin vlogging on no border. Rochielin plant your man banana, Rochielin vlogging on no drama. Rochielin, 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 like, share, subscribe. Rochielin, 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 channel the worldwide.
Rochielin!